Well, here we are. We're making our way in through the entrance of Typhoon Lagoon. And it is, well, Vikki will tell you now, I think it's a tropical paradise.
Tropical paradise.
Hello.
It's a proper full-on tropical paradise.
Oh, it's a butterfly.
Well, it's a butterfly, which immediately makes you think tropical paradise. But look how lovely this is. It's all themed lovely. There's been lots of nice things. Oh, there's George. Back there. Eating some sweets. So I'll just take you through the entrance to Typhoon Lagoon. I sound out of breath already, don't I? That's not good, is it? As we wander through, Vikki's got a new Hard Rock Cafe t-shirt on. Yeah, she's very pleased with it. So that's nice. Here we go. On our way in, Typhoon Lagoon for a day. Well, we've not quite got a day at the water park because we're seeing a show at 4 o'clock, which is why we thought we'll come in here. We'll come in here before we go and see a show. We're seeing some show called Hip De Doo Dah, or I don't know, something like that, but sure it'd be wonderful. It's a Disney show. Oh, okay. This is somewhere that you could spend your money. So I dare say I'll be in there later, spending some money. Right, here we go. We'll make our way in to Typhoon Lagoon. Hope you like it. There's lots of very healthy snacks, mini donuts. Healthy ones, of course. Here we go, and in we go. And we're there. It is themed brilliantly. I don't remember much about this. We've been here before, but I remember very little about this particular park. Are we going left or right?
Yeah.
We're going left. Okay, let me just quickly, if I can.
Lazy River's the best kind of river.
Yeah, Lazy River is a good river. So there we are. There's a little bit up there. There's a boat stuck on a mountainy thing up there, which must have been during the storms. And look, in we go. Hang on, have a peep. It's the theming, isn't it? The theming is brilliant. That's where it's at. You see, we've got bits and pieces in the UK, but nothing's themed like this. It's just incredible. And the good thing is, it doesn't look like it's too busy in here today, which is rather nice, even though I think it's going to be a hot one. It's a beautiful day. We'll catch up later, maybe at Hip De Doo Dah.